Quick disclaimer, if I sound a little hoarse today, it's because I recently spent some quality time under the cover of my endless pool with a bucket of diluted chlorine. The pool looks great, my voice may take a few more days. At the beginning of this month, more than $1,700 landed in this portfolio, and it didn't come from selling stock, closing trades, or capital gains. It came from cash. Most investors think that cash is dead money, but in this portfolio, the cash has generated more than $4,300 in income while remaining available to secure puts and buy ETFs. I'm using options as a middle ground between dollar cost averaging and lump sum investing. While I wait for opportunities, the cash is earning interest, generating put premiums, and staying ready to become ownership. Let me show you how that's working. Before I get into the cash, let me quickly zoom out and remind you what this portfolio is. I started this account with $1 million on March 25th. The goal is to build a simple 4 ETF portfolio using options as a strategic tool while generating income along the way. The 4 ETFs are QQQ for growth, SPY as a broad market core holding, VIG for dividend growth, and GLD for diversification. Instead of investing $1 million on day one, I'm gradually building these positions while generating income and waiting for prices that I find attractive. This is my middle path between dollar cost averaging and lump sum investing. Now let's talk about the cash. Right now, a little less than $600,000 is sitting in SWVXX. When people see that, they often ask why I haven't invested all of it yet. And the answer is simple. The cash is already working. In fact, it's doing 2 jobs at the same time. The first job is generating interest income. Since starting this portfolio, SWVXX has generated more than $4,300 in income. More than $1,700 of that arrived at the beginning of this month. That income shows up whether the market goes up, down, or sideways. I don't have to guess where SPY, QQQ, VIG, or GLD are going tomorrow to earn that income. That cash simply keeps working. The second job is securing my cash secured puts. The same cash that's earning interest is also backing up the puts that I sell on these ETFs. And that allows me to generate options premium while I wait for prices that I consider attractive. If the market pulls back and one of my puts is assigned, the cash becomes shares. If the market doesn't pull back, I keep the premium and repeat the process. Either way, the cash is working. And that's what I mean when I say the cash is doing double duty. The bigger idea here isn't really SWVXX. The bigger idea is turning income into ownership. The interest income, options premiums, and dividends all give me additional capital that I can use to buy more shares. Every month, I'm trying to convert income into ownership. The shares can appreciate, the options can generate premium, and the cash can earn interest. And eventually that cash can become ownership when the price is right. Since March 25th, the portfolio has grown from $1 million to roughly $1,050,000. Some of that came from unrealized capital gains, and some of that from realized income through options premium, dividends, and interest. And every part of this portfolio has a job. The ETFs are providing growth. The options are generating income and helping me build positions. The cash is earning interest while it waits for the opportunity to become ownership. And VIG especially is earning dividends, which I'm reinvesting to build my share count. One final thought. I've been getting a lot of feedback that Bitcoin should probably have a place somewhere in a diversified portfolio. I've actually never owned Bitcoin, not directly and not through an ETF, but I'm thinking about starting a very small position in IBIT and documenting the process here on the channel. Nothing's been purchased yet. I'm still doing the research and deciding whether it belongs in the portfolio, but if I decide to move forward, you'll see that in a future video. Make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and if you'd like to learn more about the strategies I'm using, visit Saylor Financial Fundamentals for free and low-cost resources designed to help investors use options as a strategic portfolio tool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.